Former Tax and Revenue Secretary Demesia Padilla was in court for the first time today since being charged with a long list of crimes. She's accused of stealing from a tax client while she was secretary and using her position to try to cover it up. News 13's Allison Martinez was in the courtroom. She's live in Santa Fe.
Kim Padilla showed up to court with her husband and attorney by her side. She hid her face nearly the entire time, seeming emotionless. The former head of the state's tax department, Padilla, is facing charge after charge. The Attorney General's office says she made dozens of bank transfers, siphoning more than $25,000 from a grading and trucking company that was a tax client of hers, then meddling with an audit into the company's finances to hide her crimes. She also wasn't supposed to have personal clients while working as the Tax and Rev Secretary. This all took place between 2011 and 2016. She did not enter a plea today. She was allowed to remain free until her preliminary hearing in late October.
Do you understand that the court could have you arrested at any time to review and reconsider these conditions?
Yes, Your Honor.
Now, this is Padilla's first public appearance, since she was charged last month. We tried to get her side of the story, but she rushed out of the courtroom, refusing to answer any questions. Now, the preliminary hearing will be held on October 29th, and that's when the judge will decide if this needs to go before a trial. If Padilla is convicted on all charges, she faces up to 25 years in prison. Kim, back to you.
Okay, thanks, Allison. Now, Padilla is just one of many public officials accused of using their position to benefit financially over the last few years. Former State Senator Phil Griego is serving a year and a half for bribery and fraud for using his Senate seat to push a real estate deal and pocket $50,000. Then there is former Secretary of State Diana Duran, who stole campaign funds and gambled them away. Before that, former State Treasurer Robert Vigil was convicted of attempted extortion for a kickback scheme in the Treasurer's office. One of the most well-known cases, that of Manny Aragon, the once powerful state senator who spent 4 years in prison for pocketing hundreds of thousands of dollars in a kickback scheme during the building of the Metro Courthouse downtown.